Hello folks, welcome back to Shib. Cautioning Shiba Inu holders, prepare for a $2.8 billion quake made sense of. Shiba Inu, one of the most well-known Ethereum-based image coins, enlisted a gigantic 9% decrease in its 7-day execution. This started dread in the SHIB people group. As of late, Shiba Consume, a Twitter handle that posts refreshes about SHIB token consumes, referenced that a sum of 3,785,744,344 tokens were singed in August alone. In this video, we will discuss cautioning Shiba Inu holders, prepare for a $2.8 billion seismic tremor made sense of. Remember to crush approval, share, and buy into the feed to see our most recent substance on Shiba Inu value forecasts and master investigation. Right away, how about we start the video? We should find out the thing Shiba Inu is doing on the 4th of September. After an exemplary square-shaped base arrangement, SHIB flipped the 0.0127 imprint from protection from quick help, with purchasers finding bouncing back grounds at this help level. SHIB saw an example breakout towards the premise line of its Bollinger Groups. A potential close over this line could situate the image coin for a supported potential gain in the approaching meetings. Post keeping up with its sideways track for more than 2 months, SHIB bulls have portrayed a slow expansion in their power. The purchasers continued developing on their hidden strain as reflected in last month's square-shaped breakout. In spite of seeing a 3-week falling wedge decline, the purchasing power recovered at the 0.01217 level to revitalize cause a breakout. With the 20 EMA actually influencing over the 50 EMA, the bulls would endeavor to keep up with their edge. Any negative hybrids could indicate a possible nullification as the upper and lower groups of the Bollinger Groups look toward one another. SHIB could see a low unpredictability ease before long. A climb past the premise line in the 0.0129 district can open up recuperation entryways towards the 0.0134 to 0.0138 territory. Any decay underneath the 0.0217 benchmark would affirm a negative resurgence and possibly indicate a supported downfall. After scarcely entering over the midline, the general strength file saw a slight appreciation in purchasing edge. Nonetheless, the purchasers should push for a reliable close over the 50 level to gain by the new breakout. Likewise, the CMF's lower TRS bullishly wandered with the cost activity. A supported development over the 0.12 imprint could affirm the bullish inclination. This is despite the fact that the ADX was on a steady downtrend throughout the previous few weeks. At long last, the altcoin shares a 49% 30-day relationship with Bitcoin, consequently watching out for Bitcoin's development with buy and large market opinion could be fundamental in recognizing any bullish nullifications. A ton is happening in the crypto market right now, and it seems like the coins that have been some way or another neglected appear to reappear and create truly a ruckus. Nowadays, Elon Musk, a tycoon with a seriously sincere assessment on every one of the happenings in the crypto world, has been very vocal about Shiba Inu. Individuals can't completely comprehend the reason why Shiba Inu is the best image coin to put resources into this bear market. There has been a declaration that Shiba Inu's metaverse will be called Osiris. We can see up to this point that Shiba Inu is adjusting to the market's requests considerably quicker than anticipated. With such countless tasks being declared or currently being used, it is no big surprise the pioneers behind Shiba Inu need to offer a novel, new thing to their steadfast crowd. It is perhaps of the most seen coin on Twitter. The web-based entertainment stage has shown various times that it directs patterns and enormously impacts the assessment of crypto devotees hoping to put resources into another intriguing coin or to figure out additional about coins that are acquiring consideration. More than once, Ryoshi made Shiba Inu and gave this coin the unmistakable canine as a brand name that we as a whole seen rapidly. It is a broadly well-known image coin that many individuals need to claim. Assuming that anybody is familiar with the variety Shiba, the main affiliation will be the coin, not the real thing you're discussing. This expresses a lot about the sort of interest individuals have in cryptographic forms of money. Each new coin that seems certainly stands out. Holding Shiba Inu coins brings many advantages, like the chance of exchanging for government-issued types of money or in any event, trading for Bitcoin. One of the biggest Shiba Inu whales had moved very nearly 2 trillion SHIB to its surplus, arriving at a dollar worth of $22 million at the hour of procurement. This was finished in 24 hours, and information shows that this wallet is the 6th biggest SHIB wallet with more than $319 million worth of SHIB tokens on its equilibrium. Huge exchanges like this are not unusual in the Shiba Inu people group, but rather given their size, they will more often than not cause a stir. This specific wallet's proprietor is obscure, which has been a significant subject of dispute locally. Some hypothesize that it could have a place with a confidential financial backer or a group wallet, yet there is the likelihood that this is a trade wallet, implying that its adjusts could have a place with huge number of financial backers. There are other enormous financial backers of Shiba Inu who are generally followed. The vast majority of them are likewise Ethereum whales and have been probably the biggest allies of the image coin. SHIB Ventures weakened around 85% last year, dropping from an aggregate dollar worth of more than $1 billion to around $52 billion. The dollar worth of the SHIB property of the biggest Ethereum whales dropped a year ago. Presently, while a portion of this decline has come from the actual whales selling a portion of their tokens, they have likewise seen their positions endure because of the downtrend that it has endured. Information from Masari shows that Shiba Inu, as of now positioned as the 13th biggest digital currency by market cap, is down over 85% from its unsurpassed high. The majority of its financial backers had gotten into the advanced resource during the positively trending market, so productivity has failed in all cases. On Sunday, the cost of SHIB had spiked 9% upwards to 0.00134. Be that as it may, before the day was finished, the image coin had shed the vast majority of these additions. This failure to hold steam, combined with the bear market, has seen Shiba Inu financial backers arise as quite possibly of the most obviously terrible hit local area. However, the SHIB Consume Convention brought any expectation of more splendid days, the outline reflected in any case. At the hour of composing, SHIB was exchanging at 0.00001226, with a market capitalization of $6,725 million. Aside from the Consume Convention, last week, SHIB engineers likewise distributed a blog that referenced significant updates connected with the much-discussed SHIB metaverse. As indicated by the designers, they have been chipping away at laying out the center construction of the metaverse since the third floor declaration. The engineers said this center design is a blend of best practices and individuals that will work to accomplish a genuinely vivid encounter deserving of the Shiba Inu people group. These advancements can likewise assist SHIB with arriving at the moon. Shib's reasonable worth acknowledged esteem proportion denoted a downtrend during late August. Be that as it may, this development has at last moved somewhat vertically, recommending a value climb can be anticipated before long. Besides, trade outpouring likewise expanded somewhat further, backing the chance of a cost flood soon. Aside from on-chain measurements and environment refreshes, many market pointers likewise showed a cost flood temporarily. The moving typical union uniqueness and dramatic moving normal lace proposed a potential increase. The previous measurement showed a bullish hybrid, and the last option showed a diminished distinction between the 20-day and 55-day EMAs. Besides, the Bollinger groups likewise showed that Shib's cost was in a crunched zone, expanding the breakout probability. With all the organization improvements and market pointers, there are chances of SHIB showing a vertical development before very long. That is a wrap for now. Remember to crush approval, share, and buy into the feed to see our most recent substance.